Percentage applied to selling price, cost, and profit. We're going to call this made over paid, because the profit that was made divided by what was paid for the original investment will give us a result, a percentage of profit. Made over paid, profit is defined as the excess of selling price amount over the amount invested. It may be expressed in dollars, as the sale price minus the cost will be the profit. In other words, dollars minus dollars will equal dollars. If it's to be expressed as a percentage, then the profit made divided by the amount paid for the investment is a percentage of profit. In that case, it's dollars divided by dollars will give us a percentage. If a loss occurs, the same type of concept applies, but it would be the dollar amount that is lost divided by the original cost that will give us the percentage of loss of the original investment. Now, with loss over cost, loss may be incurred if the sale price is less than the original cost. In dollars, once again, sale price minus the cost will give us the dollar amount of the loss. Dollars minus dollars equal dollars. If it's to be expressed in a percentage, however, then the dollar amount that is lost divided by the dollar amount of the original cost gives us the percentage of loss. Dollars divided by dollars equals percentage. There are two steps to calculate the percentage of profit or loss. Step number one, the selling price minus the amount paid, hence the cost, is equal to the profit made, or it could actually be the amount that is lost. Dollars minus dollars equals dollars for step one. Step two takes the result, which is the profit made or the amount lost, and divides that by the amount paid or the total cost, and that then gives us the percentage of profit or loss on the original investment. So it's dollars divided by dollars equals percentages. Now, sample question number one. A lot that cost $45,000 sold for $54,000. What is the percentage of profit? Two separate steps. Step number one, the sale price was $54,000. Subtract the $45,000 which was paid to get the result of $9,000, which is the profit that was made. Step number two takes what you made, $9,000, divided by what you paid, $45,000, and it shows therefore a 20% profit on your original investment. Sample question number two. A lot that cost $50,000 sold for $47,000. What is the percentage of loss? Once again, step number one. If the sale price was $47,000 minus the $50,000 cost, we get a negative result, which is our loss of $3,000. Step number two, we take the dollar amount we lost, $3,000, divided by the $50,000, which was the cost. The loss, therefore, is 6% of the original investment. Sample question number three puts a new twist into this concept. A lot sold for $32,200, making a 15% profit. What was the original cost of the lot? Think it through. If it sold for $32,200 and made a profit, did you pay more than $32,200 or did you pay less than $32,200 for that lot? Well, if you made a profit, you had to have paid less. So the result, the sale price of $32,200 is equivalent to 100% of the money you invested plus a 15% profit. So the $32,200 represents 100 plus 15 or 115% of what it cost. Well, if the 32.2 equals 115%, then we're looking for a smaller number because we had to have paid less. If we take the $32,200 and divide it by 115%, the result is $28,000, and that was the cost of the original investment. Sample question number 4 and last. A lot sold for $75,000, representing a 20% loss. What was the cost of the lot? Once again, think it through. If you sold it for $75,000 and lost money, you had to have paid more. So you're looking for a number that's larger than $75,000. So step number 1, the $75,000 represented your cost 100% minus your loss. 100% minus 20% equals 80%. So the $75,000 represents only 80% of what it cost you to buy it in the first place. So now that we represent the $75,000 as 80%, if we take the $75,000 and divide it by 80%, that will give us what it cost in the original investment of $93,750. Made over paid, lost over cost.